Here are 5 things to make your brand successful. First, be unique. In the sea of sameness, be different and unique in order for your brand to stand out. Second, have strong values. Successful brands, well, they're governed by a set of unwavering values. And when those values become their North Star, organizations, brands, employees, they make better decisions. 3, be authentic. Present an honest representation of your brand and how customers perceive it. This includes consistent communication and interaction. 4th, understand your audience. Know everything about them, their challenges, their likes, their wants, their desires, where they encounter this, how often, who they go to talk about them, who they follow, what they watch, what they read. The better you understand them, the better that you can craft a strategy to them. And last, craft a compelling story. What's your purpose? What's your company's vision? Make them feel that vision and mission. And that's through storytelling, which connects your brand to them. I'm Lisa Perry, a global brand marketing executive. And if you found this helpful, check out my link for free resources and brand marketing tips and ideas.